yet real. Yet very good night to be at real. So, before I came here, I've been to the castle, what many people call it, the castle. There's a lot of sceneries and places like hotels and stuff, and yeah, very good. So I'm actually on Candy Andy's channel because I've now got rid of Fortnite actually. This is going to be a probably last video and creating a new channel. But yeah, it looks pretty good, and we are going to walk on the beach. Let me show you something. There's a car there, but look at that sunset. Beautiful. I can like sunset. It's pretty good. But yeah, so this video will be on Candy Andy. I'm by myself. Well, I'm with my family, but you know. But I'm walking by myself. Yeah, it just looks amazing. And yeah, so when I get the beach, I'll take you over. That's right. Oh gosh, I've got a donut. It's quite yummy, actually. Quite some donut. Not bad. So, on the beach. But some of the reason people don't know the song. It's good though. Stars. Pretty good. Anyway. I can't stop making donuts actually. That well. So yeah. My new channel is going to be called The Pink Ruins. Because my friend Chug there, which you might have seen on this vlog video, actually said, I was born ponies, my little pony, and he got me into it because I watched the first video and it was okay, and then I started watching the second video, and it was pretty good, and then I started watching other videos on my little pony, like fan made, and it's pretty good. So anyway, I'm just turning you around slowly. Look at that. That's where I'm going to walk to. It's probably going to be a very long video. Ugh. As you can see, I'm wearing Bart Simpson coat. It's pretty cold out here. Not that cold. I mean, I could jump, I guess. But you know, I guess not. But yeah, I'm going to go to an arcade. But when I'm there, of course, I'll see you later. Zoom in on this. Woo! Alright, so I have now finally returned. It's pretty good. Just waiting now for the people to come and we can go in and have some fun. So, we'll see what we get. Yeah. Are we going in here? Alright, let's go. Oh, we have Pac-Man. Oh, it's multiple Pac-Man. Oh, sweet. Yeah, got blue, red, the usual yellow, and it's not purple, it's pink. That's red. Oh, we have so many toys. So many toys. Oh, look at that cute dog. They're cute. Alright. Hey, we got Popeye and little burgers. 20p. Yeah, 2p machines as usual. Always have them in there. No, we can't. So I have to fix the probably builder thing. It's on there. 20p. Probably not gonna get on now, but you know. Man, wait. Let's just get to see. Oh. Nope. Just slippery. Good music though, I like it. Try again. No problem. I'm trying. 18 zone. I'm not 18. 2p machine. Usually 2p's are cold, 2p's loads of 2p's some bowling. I love a game. If you're playing 66. Slots. Usual thing in a casino. Rock and roll for 10p. Look at that. That's a pretty good price there. That was 10p. You get a first try for $5 extra. You're gonna save £4.90. Cafe. Very good. Hello. I score 750. I knew it'd be that. I get it in 750. I get it. So, like I've already said, this will be probably on his channel if he'll let me upload. Yeah, I thought, and that's too bad. What's this? What paper scissors? Look at this. Oh, it's that dinosaur thing. Versus Drew. Henry Hugger Monsters. Oh. Don't any monster. We'll look at it. No, they won't grab. They won't grab. Hey, SpongeBob. Baby Anakin. Let's have to laugh at it. No, I don't think I will win anything here. Gumball. Oh, penny. Sweet. Got a free penny. Penny a keeper. You never know. Anyway, I will get on to the game, see what I can get on, and I'll call you back. I won't call you, I'll just start back. So see you then. Alright. I have 6p. See if I can drop anything off here. Here we go. Damn it. Let's try again. Yes. Didn't get anything. Last 2p. Wait for this to work. No. I have 2p. Messy. No 2p. Straight away in the bag. Going in. Gosh, I just walk all the way over there. No. I can't get anything here. Let's have a look at these other games then. Okay, so you gotta get 10p in a truck. I do. I think, yes, I do have 10p. Let me just get it out. Okay, so you basically gotta roll it down. Right. Now, oh, can I have some? Can I have some, please? Messy. Right. should be. Let's go back to Alan's. We'll put back in this machine and go! It's all the way over there. Oh. Did I get anything? No. I got 0. This game just won't let me go. Oh wait. It's a penny. That 1 penny. XP, that's what I want. Okay, so what we gotta do is we gotta roll it into there. If we don't, we dead. Oh, I got some tickets. What? Alright. In a minute, going up Tempe. Tempe, gonna throw it in. Ready, steady. Tickets! Yeah! Got some tickets!
Not as much as that.
No. Not as much as that. Yeah. I want that for a long time. Yeah. Trying to search something with base right. A couple games, if one I think. And then if I do, then I'll see what I've won. If I don't, too bad. Some jelly beans. That's what I could win. My tickets. Anyway, I'll see you later. Alright, I'll see you later, see if I win anything. Bye! Alright. Oh shoot, I done something wrong. Didn't mean to do. Anyway, back. I accidentally quit. Luckily, the game was still playing. That was working. Anyway, I've been in half now for 20 minutes, and I didn't win anything. Found that money, put it in, didn't do nothing. I think I have a phone. But I don't think I'm gonna answer because it's closed. No. That's where it's coming from. But yeah, I'm not getting poor, and I haven't won anything. The only thing I won is some tickets. The only thing I won had some donuts. Wasn't that good. The castle took ages though. We went around the whole castle. We went in. I actually got some pictures which I could show you. In fact, I'll show you in another video. What name? The big one. Let's have a look at these prices.
Tempe, yeah, right.
Tempe. Just to play. I don't think that's gonna go very handy. Quite correct. Another big one with minions, bananas, whatever. Can't seem to find the moon. Best view all the way over there. But yeah. I've told you almost everything. Getting rid of my channel. Got a new channel called The King of Bernies. Uploading this to Candy Andy. I haven't made the King of Bernies yet. I've made the channel, but I haven't got anything.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please give it a thumbs up. Eddie shot this out for me because, you know, some people are unfortunate as much as others, and they wanted to see what real was like, and you know, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I was going to do the selfie thing so you can see me, my face, but I can't do this on my bad frame rate phone, and my shitty camera just keeps crashing on me. I've got this camera here, it's a Sony Handycam, and I've got my little mic here for my phone. That's how big it is, like an inch in size. A lot smaller than my penis, I can say that. I'm only joking. Sorry, I had to say that. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any comments or questions or anything, just leave a comment section down below, because I'll reply, definitely. Goodbye.